MWITI Arandu ni Kamishina UMWERU warwangirwa NCHEERA na arutite Wirane a Kenya akareta maugaruruku rwanginiro MWITI akiaria augite NCHEERA citu cina abungwa 60,000 gwitia na ibatwerie kwiga abungwa 30,000 aki nongerete na kuga akongera ithomo cia ubundi na utia nikenda abungwa magunika NKURUKI. Boniface Mongera ena ripoti ino.
Kwithanira nwe Kamishina UMWERU mantu ya NCHEERA janthigurune Kenya Bwana Patrick Mwiti Arandu obisi newe na twambira kumulia biuria kiuria kia mbere kiakirika gitaka wathani bwawe arenda Kenya batiba mulikane no ntobureko na tucokeria twira we arenda kulikana ja Kamishina urio nyenye namba ya bungwa kiri NCHEERA cha nthiguru Kenya. NCHEERA cha nthiguru Kenya cina mung'ana jwa bungwa 62 inde kiongo kira kibaterete 30.
We do not have control of the number of inmates that we can accommodate, we receive in prisons. That being the challenge, what we are doing to ensure that we reduce the numbers is through using community service orders, review of cases through the judiciary, and of course ensuring that through the courts, they are also granting lower cash bails and bonds to ensure those who are facing trials, they can still proceed with their trials outside the prison.
Kingi Bwana Kamishina Mwiti wa Arandu ariwa kenda kuthira kiriko nya Kamishina uria waretere teknolojia kinande kiri NCHEERA cha nthiguru Kenya.
We need to modernize our prison industries through introduction of new equipments and new working tools, so that we can remain competitive in the market in terms of the production of completed items that we make from our industries.
Na kiri mantu ne jogi mwire kirongirwa NCHEERA Bwana Patrick Mwiti wa Arandu ari ugojoni wabangite
the Wanini Kereri level 4 hospital at Prison Staff Training College. It has been constructed and completed. What we are working on right now is operationalization of that facility. It will cater for our officers' health needs, and this will greatly impact positively on the morale and also the welfare of our officers.
Mojo jonde zere unajo Kamishina Mwiti wa Arandu ariuge na wirigiro bune kine kethire kioneka kuthithia nteto ici no ntote na kigena utukumba kuthira kuithika korona kukwarua mabitha barongirwa NCHEERA ibambirije kuthira beraramika no ntobathirikare Kenya kwanza kuthira kira wika Wirane bora baberite bakethira bebongera mishara na NKURUKI kubagarura mathaga jaria bakwithira betumira nke reporter NCHEERA TV kuma ja kingina ngine kine kimusho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.